Welcome! In front of me I have DuoDuoGo J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can remove the tempered glass from your phone display. So I can recommend you to use your fingernail to make it. And of course we have to put our nail or any other thin object under the glass. So we are going to make it like that. Just take a look here. Let's start from one of the edge. So as I said, just put your nail under this screen protector. If it doesn't come from this edge, just try another one. Let's go for the left one, for example. Okay, here's not that easy, so let's go for another one. Okay, and as you can see right here, we can easily lift that glass, right? So just do it slowly. Don't break the glass. Don't injure us. We are right now moving to the second edge. As you can see, the air is coming under the screen protector, and right now when the both edges are they are not sticking to the display, we can easily put the second nail and then just leave it slowly. As you can see, we are almost finished. And here we are. So that's how we can remove the tempered glass from your DuoDuoGo J6 Plus. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!